Hello, Brandon U.S.SAWS here from U.S.SAWS. Today we're here talking about our FSB 150 walk-behind saw. It's a great saw for small concrete and asphalt applications. The greatest thing about this saw is you can put up to a 20-inch blade, which will give you about 7 1/4 cutting depth. Another great benefit is this saw only weighs about 110 pounds versus a comparable gas saw, which would be about 300 to 350 pounds. So one person could possibly lift this out of a back of a pickup truck himself. Some more benefits are the obvious for pneumatic saws is there's no fumes, low maintenance, and the longevity of the tool, since they're just pushing air through a gearbox. Some other great features on this saw is it has a water hookup on it already, an optional tank if you do not have a water source, a pointer so you can cut a straight line. This saw also requires a minimum of 90 psi at 90 CFM from your pull behind air compressor. It spins at roughly 3,300 RPMs and is a great saw for small applications. It has an adjustable lever for transport to move your handle up and down. It also has an adjustable leveling handle for lowering and raising your blade.